Alright, I'm behind the camera today. Alicia is going to show everybody how easy it is to make almond flour. If you have a nice one of these nice Omega machines, I think it's like an 8003 is what we have. So before things get loud with motors, I'll just narrate kind of what's going to happen. She has some raw, unsalted almonds over here, and she's going to turn on the mill, and then she will slowly put them in the hopper, and you just have to find your pace. You definitely never want to stick your finger down the tube. You just want to let your almonds kind of hop in there, use the hopper, and they'll just slowly go through, and then they will come out in the bowl on the front, which is right there. And then once that bowl gets full, you could put it into a bigger bowl. And then we have some picky people around here who don't like the brown part on the almond flour. They like it to look like the nice store-bought almond flour. So what we do is sift it. And a word of caution, don't ever try to sift cashew flour. It's too fatty, it just clogs everything up. So let's get started.
Okay, so now I'm going to start putting in the almonds. It automatically presses it for you. One helpful tip is in the hopper, if you think things are going too slow, you can always adjust the angle. Now, if you think things are going too fast, just do that. All you have to do is just find your right angle, and it provides the right speed for you. So, going to I could go a little faster, just for the sake of this video. Another tip is if you only have a small amount of almonds in the hopper at a time and you think they're going too slow, just add in more. If there's too much,
hopper. And then just cut off the machine and then dump it. Alright, so now that's good. You can do as big of a batch as you'd like. We already have some almond flours. This is really just a how-to for our viewers. So if you were making a big batch, you would take that little bowl there and then you would dump it in the big bowl. So go ahead and show them that. And then you would just put that bowl back, and then you'd be able to put more in the hopper and make a bunch more, but we're not going to go through that step. Right now what we'll do is Alicia will take the bowl with the almost finished, and she's going to dump it in the sifter. You only want to dump a couple of cups. You'll see you've got like a line there, that this top line, it says 3 cups. By my experience, that's too much. So we're only gonna go to the 2-cup line here. So that's this one. So you just go like this. You can kind of dump over here, that's probably better. So we'll go to the 2-cup line. And then you can grab that and just hold it over there and show them how to sift. You wanna just kind of go nice and slow. Nice and slow.
every time you sift it once, turns out in a fine powder that is mostly white.
And the brown skin of the almond seed tends to stay in the sifter.
Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot more brown in the sifter than what's coming out. Like Papa said.
And what you will be left with is some brown stuff. This is the seed for the almond. The seed like skin, and then a little bit of the almond meat that was too large to go through the sifter will be in there too. I actually save that and I put that on my oats in the morning. It's good fiber, there's nothing wrong with it. Almonds are expensive and I don't like to throw away almonds if I don't have to.
We're almost done here.
Yeah, getting kind of more brown and less beige.
And now we're just getting a bunch of brown. So I think that means it's all good.
Not quite. I usually go for very brown. So you've got a little bit more of the good almond stuff that you can get out of there. It's probably good. So here we can show that to the camera. You'll notice there's some white stuff around the sides. One trick that you can do, like if you see right there it's kind of piling up, and then right there it's kind of piling up. So you can actually see where it's piling up. Just tap it and then sift it just a little bit more.
Oh wow, it actually just all got out. That's cool. Oh wow.
Alright, so then you can just dump that in there. And I'll have that with my oats in the morning. Making myself hungry just talking about it.
Yeah.
I usually put that in with some rolled oats and some blueberries or something like that, and some almond milk, and then that'll be breakfast. So that is how to make homemade almond flour, and you can just put the lid on and stick it in the pantry. Just a quick how-to video, just if anybody was wondering. And especially, even at health food stores, we notice you can't always find organic almond flour, but you can always find organic almonds. So sometimes that's your best option, just make it at home.
That's what it looks like in the container. And
Alright.
so now you just get to put it in the pantry.
Alright. Thanks for watching. If you found that useful, please hit the like or subscribe button.